Hey guys, this is Mark. I've been telling y'all that I got a big video coming up, so this is gonna be the start of it. Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of Mark's Life 101. I'm Mark, and this is my life. This may turn into more than one video, or it may just be one, but we'll see. Anyways, I've been shopping online for about, I don't know, maybe 2 months, trying to get some things that I think I want. And if you watch my other videos, you know that I put mini split in my house. I actually have 2 mini splits in my house now. 2 of the same kind, 2 12,000 BTU mini splits. I'll tell you why I'm telling you that in a minute. Okay, here it is. Here's what I've been shopping for. Solar panels, and I've had a few hiccups. I bought the wrong charge controller and ended up having to buy a different charge controller. But so far, this is all the stuff I bought. I don't really know what I'm doing. I've been watching videos for like 3 years trying to figure this out. But I got the PV cable and the splitters. Just all kinds of little things here. These are fuse holders. These are distribution blocks. I got 2 of these little stunts, or I think they call them. Anyways, they show you what's going on with your system. This is the Bluetooth part that hooks to the Powmr 3000 watt 24 volt inverter. I got a couple of these cutoffs, and I got a couple of these breakers. I still got to get the wiring for it, and I bit the bullet and I bought me 2 of these 12 volt 100 amp hour Power Queen batteries, the LiPo 4, because I plan on putting them in an area in my house, and I didn't want lead acid batteries in here. So I know I'm going to need more batteries than this, but this will get me started. These 2 together will make a 24 volt system, and that's what I'm going to try to run. So hopefully, let's see. And also, I've already put another breaker box in here, and this area is kind of junked up, but this is where I'm going to put it, right here. I have a little cubby hole right inside my food storage room here, and here's the main power breaker. So I thought that would be a good idea if they were close together, where I could bring things from that to this. But this is not going to be a grid tied system. This is only going to be an off grid system for me to just play with and learn about and see what else I can do. Oh, almost forgot one more thing. So they're pretty big, but I got 4 of these 300 watt monocrystalline panels. I think they're 12 volt panels, but we're going to run them where they will make 24 volts. These are Eco Worthy, I think is the name of them. Got a pretty good deal on them, but spent more than I wanted to do this, but we will see how it works. It may be worth it. Being new at it, I'm just like everybody else. I'll buy stuff I probably don't need. Like when I first thought about doing solar panels, I was going to do a 12 volt system, because I know 12 volt, from being mechanic work and, just anything else. But I found out that the 24 volt is way more efficient, and you don't have to buy as big a wire to do 24 volt. So in the middle of my buying process, I swapped over and decided I was just going to go ahead and do 24 volt. So I bought a 12 volt all-in-one inverter. It's not a Powmr, it's actually a VEVOR, VEVOR, and they're really good. So I've heard, but I won't know because I won't use that one. So I'll just probably sell it back, or if that's something you're looking for, let me know. Drop me a line. I'll take what I get for it. anyways, I also had bought a 12 volt 3000 watt inverter before I decided to go with the all-in-one. So I got that too. So that's, now I spent like probably $700 I didn't have to spend on that stuff. So anyways, y'all hang around. We might put some of this in. I don't know. We'll just have to see how it goes. I got a whole lot of reading to do before I do. So, but this is a Powmr 3000 watt 24 volt solar charger inverter. It also has the where you can charge the batteries off of grid power. I do know that, just by plugging in a plug to your regular wall socket. So I think that will be pretty handy to help keep the batteries charged when the sun don't do its job. So, all right. So I think for now, I just wanted to give you guys an update and go ahead and show you what I was into. I've been talking about it and never have said anything, so I thought I'd just go ahead and show you all the stuff. But I think for now, until I get some more research done, this is probably going to be the end of this video, and we'll do another video when I get ready to do an install, because it's late in the evening. It's pretty too late to be starting on this. So I hope y'all like this video. I hope this is something that interests you. I know it really interests me, and if you follow along with my journey on it, we'll learn about it together and hopefully be safe as we can be about it, and hopefully we won't have no issues or no problems. Alright, thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe, and hit that bell where you get the notifications of the next video, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. God bless you.